Welcome back to another video. It is Monday, August 17th, and we are currently in a trade. We are live with our LTE team. We are currently up about $8 right now on MSTZ. We got a lot of people talking in the live chat. We have our new founding members roles tab up here. 49 people online right now. We do got breaking news that we'll go over in a little bit as QQQ begins to sell off and Bitcoin begins to sell off, breaking this 200-day support, 200-day moving average support, beginning to make lower lows. Our MSTZ position should begin to go higher. So we've done a great job today by at least identifying opportunity, buying at a low, 25 shares at 1097 and 20 shares at 1112, giving us a nice 45 shares at 1104 average. I can't add more shares to this. We're just being patient and waiting. So I'll update you guys in a little bit. All right, doing a great job buying the lows right here. When it pulls back, we add, pulls back, we add. Now we have 70 shares. Still risking $10 on this trade, about 1.2%. to potentially make $50 or around 6%. So this is a 1 for 6 risk to reward on MSTZ. Currently up $8, and I'll give you guys an update in a little bit. All right, time check. It is 8:18, August 17th. We just wrapped up our live stream. We went live for about 50 minutes. We usually go live anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. And if you want to watch any of my live day trading sessions, make sure you join the Discord. Spots are filling up fast. We have less than 200 spots available. We have 801 members currently. And we had a really good live stream. We had a lot of people talking. It was really good turnout. We had 50 people online at one point. We have 45 now, almost 50 online right now in the Discord. But what I want to make sure you guys understand is, you know, if you want to be part of the first 1,000 founding members, make sure you hit this thumbs up right here, and that'll let me see that you are wanting to be a part of that founding membership. I also pinned it. If you go to the, oops, I think I delete. Hold on, let me open up another tab. Wow, it's not gonna let me do it. There we go. Also, if you don't see this message, you know, we have a lot of new members coming in, but if you don't see the message in the main trading chat because we have too many messages, you can go over here to this pinned message. You could find the message, go to jump, it'll take you to it, and then you'll be able to hit that thumbs up, letting me know that you want to become a founding member. Other than that, I'll keep you guys up to date in the trade ideas section on the trade that I'm in currently, which is MSTZ. It's just kind of consolidating at these levels. It's not making lower lows, but not making higher highs either. We're in with 70 shares at 1104, and it's currently at 1105. So, yeah, also my live trading sessions are all here if you guys want to watch them. And my link, if you want to sign up for Webull, use this platform to your advantage. You can sign up with my link and you will unlock 10 free fractional shares. The other day we had a sign up. He got $60 Apple. He had $60 in an Apple share. A fractional share, and then he still got 9 more shares, so he got a total of like around $150 in free money. You can sell those positions, you can use that money, you can take it out. The minimum, I believe, deposit $100 to unlock 10 fractional shares, so you're literally doubling your money. You put in 100, you get 100 to even $200 in free money. Now your account's up $200 or $300. You can use that money to trade. You can hold on to the fractional shares if you want as long-term investments. You can swing trade them and make more money, or you could cash out, pull all your money out of your account, and you went from signing up with 100 to now pulling out $200 or $300 to use for whatever you want. So take advantage. The link will be in the Discord, and the Discord link is the first link in the description below. So definitely do yourself a favor and sign up. Spots are filling up fast. Get in while you can, because it might not be free for long. And I'll keep you guys up to date with my position. All right, the quality should be a little bit better. We are in a 1-4-6 risk to reward. So we are risking $10 or 1.27%. We have a stop limit sell or stop loss order at 10.90. We are currently in 72 shares at 11.04. If this pushes up to 11.74, that's going to be my target take profit, and we'll make $50 or 6.34%. So this is a 1 for 5 or a 1 for 6 risk to reward. It's right between those levels. Been doing a great job buying these pullbacks, adding more to my position. It's not making lower lows, it is making lower highs, so we are getting a type of a like a wedge squeeze pattern, sort of a bull flag pattern. We'll see if it breaks out above and we can lock in some profits. Currently down about $2, $3. So trade update, we are experiencing a lot of consolidation from QQQ right now at resistance levels. So as long as it stays below resistance levels, it'll begin to sell back off, and that'll be good for our MSTZ position. Bitcoin also had a nice push up to previous resistance of 63,900, retesting the 45 EMA as support. We'll see if we get to break below, as that would be good for our MSTZ position as well. Now, I do have an average of 11.04 for my average share price. I have 72 shares. At one point, I was down $32. I did delete my stop loss because I did want to see QQQ and Bitcoin retest those previous highs. Sure enough, it retested and bounced. Currently down about $10. At one point, I was down 30. I was debating whether or not I should just get out of this position. But again, this is a buy range area. The buy range area to get in and a sell range area to sell. And I was just kind of jumping the gun a little bit. I got in a little bit too soon here at 11, basically 11.06, $11, 11.12, and 10.97. So as this begins to push higher, I'll raise my stop loss because it did validate this as support. And if I get out for a small loss, is better than a $30 loss. But hopefully this will continue to push up and I can make a few bucks. So that is the update right now on the trade. All right, guys, what's up? Trade update. It is 1/13, still the same day, August 17th, and I have literally been watching MSTZ flatline since it made lows of 1037. I'm still in my 70 shares of MSTZ at 11.04. I'm currently down $29. Now, I didn't take my stop loss, as this is an area to buy, and this is where people will step in to short this. So I wanted to give it a little bit more breathing room, or else I would have already been stopped out. And also QQQ pushed up to this resistance level and has actively been selling off and making lower lows. Even as we speak, it's still dropping. Whereas Bitcoin has done nothing from open, has done nothing but go up since market open, now beginning to curl over and drop a little bit. But I wanted to make sure I gave you guys an update on my trade. No, I did not get out of this trade. I'm still in it. And yeah, so that's kind of an update. We're down $29, but technically we're not down because we haven't sold yet. And that is my market update. It's literally going to be 1:15, and there is no progress on my trade at all. It's flatlined. It looks like it wants to push above this moving average. If it does push above that moving average, then we can see this begin to push higher. But as of right now, we haven't locked in profits and we haven't taken a loss. And sometimes that's just the way it is. So hope you guys understand that my whole day isn't based on just trading. If I sat in front of the screen all day long, I might overtrade.
I might go crazy, I might go cross-eyed, but you know, trading is just a small portion of my day. You know, I'm a content creator, I'm a YouTuber, I work on my health, I work on my mindset, you know, I like to go on walks. I got to get in that 30-minute workout today. It is Monday, so it's a push day. I'll be doing chest, shoulders, and biceps. So yeah, maybe you can follow along with me. Maybe I'll try to find a couple little clips to record, but basically that's really it. I'm gonna do the same things I do every day, whether I made money, lost money, whether I took a trade and got out, or like today, I'm in a trade right now and it's trading sideways. There's not a lot going on, so if there's any movement, I'll give you an update. And other than that, you know, we still gotta eat. I gotta go pay some bills, you know, just like you. I'm a normal person, you know, even though I trade and make videos and content on Instagram and YouTube, you know, I still got bills to pay. I still got responsibilities. I got 2 kids, you know, got to make lunch, got to make food. I got a dog, I got a, you know, got a cat. So there's still always something to do. And yeah, maybe I'll take you along with me today. So here is my outdoor setup. I got a squat rack, bench press set, and a pull-up bar attached. And I got my workout bench with leg extensions. But guys, it rained. So anytime I try to sit on this, it gets wet. You see the water? So I will not be working out on the bench today. I'll probably have to do a workout inside. All right, so I do got some indoor weights as well. It's like a smaller barbell and some weights. I'll probably just do some push-ups, shoulder presses, and bicep curls inside, and then we'll go on a walk a little bit later. All right, exercise is complete now. It's beautiful out here. It's almost 7. Let's go for a walk. What's up, guys? It just rained like crazy, so I'm all covered up. It's only like 68 degrees, and because it's summer, you get so used to it being like 90 degrees, 95, that when it gets below 70, it actually feels kind of cold. But going on my walk, enjoying the evening. It's like 7 o'clock. Sun's starting to set. And yeah, enjoying the evening. Oh man, okay, I'm back, guys. The mosquitoes are ridiculous after a rainstorm. I don't know what it is about the rain and mosquitoes, but they're trying to eat me all up. So walk is concluded. We got our 10,000 steps for the day. 30-minute workout's complete. Now it's time to eat some dinner, hang out with the family, and do it all over again tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you tomorrow morning bright and early for another live day trading session at Market Open.